Hey guys, I gladly welcome you back to my channel. To our long time subscribers, I say thank you so much. And to our first time viewers, you are in the right channel. Yeah, you heard me right. You are in the right channel. So let's get started. I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful undo. How to make this beautiful undo. So let's get started anyways. I'll be needing my bag accessory. Seriously, I can't remember the name called right now. So you just need to go to the market, show them this picture, or if I remember the name, or if anyone knows the name, please just drop it in the comment section. So I'll be needing my accessory, and then I'll be needing my leather as well. So for the leather, I'll be working with length of 31 inches, and then for the width, I'll be working with 2 inches. Do you understand? Length of 31 inches, for the width 2 inches. So I'll be folding half an inch on both sides. I'll be needing my hose as well, as you can see in the picture. So I'll be folding half an inch on both sides, half an inch of the leather on both sides, and then I'll be putting my hose inside the leather, like the middle of the leather, and then I'll run the stitch. Now this is the bag accessory I'm talking about. Can you see the undo? So I'll be fixing the undo, the leather inside the bag undo, inside the bag accessory. So it comes with a screw, a tiny screw, and the space for the screw is already there. Do you understand? Like you see the space for the screw, so just screw it with, you can use either screwdriver or you use a knife. I'm using knife in this video, so just screw it very well, please, very well. And once I'm done with this, the first part, I'll be repeating the same process for the other end. So once I'm done with that, I'll be needing I make use of a chain, like just one part of a chain. So I make use of a chain. I connected the chain to the bag accessory, which is the bag handle accessory, and then to the D-ring of the bag. Do you understand? And once you're done fixing that, that is the end. and I will repeat the same process for the other side as well. And once I'm done with that, that is the end. Can you see it is as simple as A B C? Thank you so much for watching this file. I appreciate you all. See you some other time. I love you. Bye.